Hey, good morning, everyone. Literally, as this went live, the oven went, I'm ready. I'm going to make Cran-Lemon Cookies. And I thought I would just do it here because, why not? So the recipe is online. It's a little different than what's on the bag. So it is one package of the Cran-Lemon loaf mix. It is 2 eggs, quarter cup of oil or whatever it is you want to use instead, applesauce or something, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. I'm using sour cream because that's kind of what I have. I want to get rid of it. And then whatever extras you might want to add. All right, so I've got some oil. I'm going to put some eggs in. And then some lovely sour cream. Extra. All right, and then the mix. That's pretty much it, right? Eggs, oil, Greek yogurt, and the mix. So by the way, the mix already has cranberries in it. If you, I was going to mix this first. If you haven't made it yet, so we actually have pieces of cranberry, and of course it's gluten-free. All right, mix up the egg and the sour cream and the oil, and then I just slowly add in the mix. And you might not be able to see so well, but it literally does have little flecks of cranberry. I'm going to add a little bit more cranberry, but of course you don't have to. The recipe does call for white chocolate chips. I'm not going to put white in because I don't have any. I have just regular semi-precious chips. No, semi-sweet or dark chocolate. Those are the ones we usually have here. Mostly because the milk chocolate doesn't last very long because somebody eats them all. Good morning, Nicole. My husband has a tendency to go eat all the milk chocolate if we have any in the house. So if I have semi-sweet or dark chocolate, he'll eat it, but not as much. So it stops his binge eating on chocolate. All right. So it's organic cane sugar, rice flour, cornstarch, modified tapioca starch, organic lemon powder, which is lemon juice, organic lemon oil, things like that, and then cranberries, baking powder, lemon peel, sea salt is what is in here. And you can see that there's pieces of cranberry in there. All right. So I've got a few chips, not a lot. And then I was just rehydrating a bit of the cranberries just so because they were all clumped together. All right. Obviously, you could put some more chips in. Maybe I will. A tiny bit more. Okay. I think I have too much liquid in here. Good morning. Oh, I got one of this left? Yeah. Okay. Well, there you go. You can make yourself some cran cookies. So I'm just using the 2 tablespoon scoop. I feel like these will spread a little bit, which is fine. Like, it's all right. I think I just didn't have enough. I put a little too much of the sour cream in. It's all right. The world will not end. Just have really flat cookies. It's okay. But then again, you never know. You can also just make, Cran-Lemon loaf or Cran-Lemon little petite loaves or petite squares. You could actually make it and maybe even put like our Luscious Lemon on top. So make Luscious Lemon squares with the Cran-Lemon loaf. Sounds like a good idea. Maybe I'll try that. All right. So there we go. There's my Cran-Lemon chocolate chip cookies. So the recipe calls for 375 on the sheet pan sheet liner. 10 minutes until the edges go slightly brown, and then let it cool. And it does say place at least 1 inch apart, so it does have room to spread. So there we go. All right, well, that's it. That was just want to show you when they're done. Of course, I'll pull them out and share. And then what else? There's other, that Easter collection comes with one of the Cran-Lemon, one of the Luscious Lemon, one shortbread, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things. So the Cran-Lemon, the Luscious Lemon curd, the shortbread cookie, and 2 of the carrot cakes. And the carrot cakes are exclusive to this collection because you can't buy them anywhere else. And you will get the 5 items for, 1 sec. I'm looking at the wrong one. So $29.25 for the 5 items. And then if you want, you can add the Perfect Petite pan with it and also get that on sale as well. If you get the pan and the set, it's $52.25, and that's Canadian. Obviously, a little bit less more for the for American if that's what you want. But by the way, if you haven't checked out the website, I would do so. It's Saturday morning. What are you doing, right? Because go to your Consult Ambassador's website, whether it's mine or whoever's it might be, and check out the 30% off collection. It is huge. It goes on and 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 on. So it's a huge spring fever sale. Pretty cool. And this is even before we have our vault list that comes out. So grab seasonal items, grab your favorites. Check out, there's even some things for like things we would have had last summer and spring. So like there's Aztec soup. There is béarnaise sauce. There is candied yams, which makes really good candied bacon. So I will be grabbing some of that. There is our vegan easy peasy bolognese, the feisty green sauce. So Tammy, feisty green sauce, herb and mushroom hot dip, Korean barbecue, Oregon leaves. So just the Oregon, oregano, Oregon. Where did that oregano leaves? Oh my god. Pumpkin pie. Queso blanco, so the white queso. Rosemary leaves, sesame ginger dressing, simply buttered baked beans, which are one of my favorites, so I'm going to grab some of them as well. Smoked paprika, Spanish version. Smoking barbecue sauce, speedy lasagna, teppanyaki, another favorite. Thai coconut soup is here. Thyme leaves. See, I'm off. I'm thyme leaves. Thyme leaves. Would you like some thyme leaves? Tuscan herb risotto mix is here. The West Coast burger mix is here. Wintry mushroom, za'atar sauce, which is another favorite, and then of course all the cookware is still there. So the wok, the saute pan, which is like, well, it's over here. I'm cleaning it because we just used it last night. As I said, we use that thing every day. French press if you need a coffee container, coffee maker. That can use for other things. Multi-purpose steamer is still here. The roll-up rack, the skewers, the rectangular steamer, the muffin maker, the Stay With Me products, the cooling racks, the sheet pan that I just used, the cooling racks that I will be using, the sheet liner, which I'm using, the donut maker, the prep. These cool prep bowls are on here as well. Our scissors are on here. The meat thermometer, the silicone pastry mat, the 3-in-1 burger press, the 2 tablespoon scoop I'm using, the base brush, the awesome 4-in-1 spoon, and then the rotisserie chicken, the happy birthday cake, scalloped potatoes, maple misto, red pepper jelly, pizza, kurma curry, tropical pineapple chicken, carne asada, taco. Wow, tacos here? Ooh. Ratatouille, chicken fried rice, poke bowl, sweet and sour stir fry, golden latte, and poke bowl. Okay. Say that 10 times fast. So there's huge sale happening right now. So, I mean, I totally would go check it out. If you want to have a cooking class or event, let me know. And we can share that with your peoples. Oh, coming along. And what else? What else is the special? Oh, so hosting, you have an opportunity to get those little coquettes, whatever they're called, between March and April. So you do have time to get that. If you had a cooking class in February, you can do it. If you have a class in March and April, you can grab it. I recommend sooner rather than later. Who knows if they will hold out. So get those. Seems to be quite popular. And oh, and here's the Easter one. I'm trying to think of all of our specials. We have so many. Anyway, all that's happening. Things are going to change soon. So we're going to switch over to our spring and summer catalog in April. So that means March is our last month to get any of the winter stuff, which there's a lot of sales, a lot of things happening. We're cleaning out the warehouse to make room for what's coming in the spring and summer. And my team, we hit it. We did the hitting leadership for 2 months in a row. So we're getting the free season kit that comes. So we'll be having a season team event to talk about it and share it and eat it. I'll have one for everybody here as well. April 7th is probably when I'll have an in-person one. So if you want to save your calendar or save the date, on the 7th in the afternoon, usually around 1 o'clock is when I have it. You're all more than welcome if you're in the area to come, whether you're my ambassador or another ambassador or a customer, it doesn't matter. Open house, just come on, try something new, get a new catalog, whatever it might be that you might want to try. And then I'm off to conference in 12 days or so. So that's pretty cool. I'm excited for conference this year. I earned the trip, so I get recognized for that. I did 4 other things. I'm going to get recognized for that, so I'm happy. I'm excited. Um, you know, uh, we all have our little bit of things we like, and it's nice to be recognized. So I am excited for that. So thank you, everyone who participated in that, whether you're a customer, host, team member. I love you all, so thank you. And that's where I'll get to taste all the new stuff first. And then, yeah, so it's exciting month of March. So on that note, it's also a good time to join. I know I say this every time at the beginning of the month, and I will every beginning of month, because it's always a good time to start an Epic Your Biz at the beginning of a month, because it means you get an extra month added on to your new ambassador rewards program, which may or may not be something you want, but the idea of being able to maybe make back that access pass is pretty cool. Oh, thank you, Vinny. I have not seen you in so long. I hope you're well. You look pretty awesome out there with all your posts and your cute little succulents. If you don't know Vinny, she's awesome. She makes well, she's doing like things for weddings and stuff, but she also does like birthday gifts and whatever. So whatever you want to do. So like vases with flowers, but also cool like one I got was flowers and balloons and things. So I have the wording is completely off on me. Sorry, Vinny, but like that kind of stuff. So baskets. That's the word I was looking for gifts or things like that. And they're super cute and themed and all that. And then she has succulents. They're cute little succulents. So anyway, check her out and see what she's up to. Is pretty awesome. But yeah, thank you, Vinny. I'm super happy. It's been a pretty awesome year. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. So it's always a good time to join. You get this new passwords, but the idea of getting back that access pass after a certain amount of time is pretty cool, because then unless you can say I didn't, you're welcome. They are super cute. I would love another one, but to be honest, we have very little sun. It's like really in one corner, and I still have to fix that. So yeah, anyway. So yeah, I will totally say that, because, getting an extra month to earn some free stuff is always super cool. So these are a little bit longer, but they did not disappoint. They did not spread like I thought they were. I thought they were going to turn into like little puddles, but that's pretty much what they would normally look like. They just need a couple more minutes to get the corners brown, but it worked. So it's okay that the batter kind of looks like pancake batter. So yeah, there you go. I'll stop talking. And hi, Karen. Oh yeah. When I saw them the other day, I'm like, oh, that's right. I can make cookies out of those. I don't know what it is, but I like cookies a little bit more than cakes and stuff. Well, actually, I don't really like cakes that much. So cookies and things are more my thing. That's why I like our shortbread cookies. It's why I like our packages. So are cake packages, because they all can turn into cookies. Like the happy birthday, you can make cookies with it. The chocolate one, you can make cookies with it. With the brownies, you can make cookies with it. I'm trying to think of another one, but whatever, all of them, you can turn them into cookies. There's a recipe for it. You just adapt it a little bit, and you can make cookies, which is so cool. But anyway, I'm literally making our Cran-Lemon Cookies with a little extra cranberries and some chocolate chips. And that's the mix. As you can see, there are flecks. Those little flecks are actual cranberries in the mix, not the ones I put in, because mine are dark. So definitely going to make lots of cookies with this. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share the specials, share that I was making some cookies, and that's it. So have a happy Saturday. I hope your weekend is lovely and that your March is good, great, awesome. Yeah, so let me know if you're interested in grabbing any of the specials. As I said, there's pages and pages of specials. If you want to host your own event, you can get those coquettes. Let me know. March is a great time for that, with all the specials and everything. And you can share how awesome Epicure is for you with your family and friends. And yeah, take care.